Hi there, my name's Emily, and I work at the Olympia Timberland Library. In Storytime today, we are going to learn about one of my favorite things, bikes. We are going to do that with some help from Intercity Transit's Walk and Roll program. This is our plan. So first, number one, we'll read an alphabet book about bikes to learn about bikes and all the different parts of our bike. And there will be a special surprise somewhere in the middle. I'm not going to tell you what letter it's going to happen on. But then after the book, number two, we are going to visit Walk and Roll's Tyrannosaurus Rex, who will teach us how to do an ABCD quick check to get ready to bring our bikes out onto the road. And then number three, the end of the video, we will come back here to my house and sing Wheels on the Bike together. So this video is the second in a series of virtual rolling story times that we have planned with Intercity Transit and Walk and Roll to encourage families to walk, ride, and take the bus places. So check the description below for more information about dates and the concepts that we will cover. Are you ready? I sure am. Let's begin. First up, it's story time. We've got to read our book. So this book is called Air Brakes Chain, a Bicycle ABC. And this is an alphabet book, meaning that each page in the book has the next letter in the alphabet. It has a word that starts with that letter. So when we go through the book, let's practice writing our letters. We'll write the letters in the sky with our fingers. Can you do that along with me? Let's try it with this. Ready? A bicycle, A, B, C. All right, we're ready. A, air. Always make sure that there's air in your tires. B, brakes. Brakes help you slow down and come to a stop. C, chain. The chain transmits power from the pedals to the rear wheel, moving you forward. D, drivetrain. The drivetrain is made up of all the parts involved with moving the bike forward, including the chain. We just learned about the chain. Letter C, chain. Drivetrain. E, electric bike. Some bikes have batteries and motors to help you go. F, fork. A bike fork holds the front wheel. G, gears. Some bikes have different sized gears that you can switch between, making it easier or harder to pedal. H, helmet. Helmets are so important. Let's take a break and visit T-Rex at Walk and Roll to learn the right way to wear our helmets. I'll go get mine. You ready?
Intercity Transit's Walk and Roll program presents T-Rex shows how to properly fit a bike helmet. It's all about the eyes, ears, and mouth. By making sure you have these three things down, you can be sure to prevent head injuries by 45% when riding your bike. First is the eyes check. Position your helmet on your head. Look up and you should see the bottom rim of the helmet. The rim should be about 1 to 2 finger widths right above your eyebrows. Next is the ears check. Make sure the straps of your helmet form a V under your ears when buckled. The strap should be snug but always comfortable. Last but not least is the mouth check. First, make sure your helmet is snug and doesn't wiggle back and forth when you shake your head and is buckled correctly. Next, open your mouth as wide as you can. Do you feel the helmet hug your head? If not, tighten those straps and make sure the buckle is flat against your skin. Awesome, we did it! Now you know how to properly fit your bike helmet. Get out there and get riding safely, everyone.
Hey, welcome back. I've got my H for helmet. I, independence. Bikes make it easier to go more places on your own. J, joy. Riding bikes with friends feels nice. See how happy Garrett is with his bike? So happy. K, kickstand. Some bikes have kickstands so that your bike can stand up on its own. And that's actually a really old picture of me. That's me when I was a kid. L, light. Lights and reflectors help drivers and other people see you, even when it was dark out. M. M is so fun to draw in the air. Are you ready? Make a really big M. 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 Mountain bike. Mountain bikes are made to go off-road, including, guess where? The mountains. N. Noodle. Brake noodles hold the brake cables in and help them cross over the top of the wheel. See? Oh, that's another really fun one to draw in the air. Can you draw an O? A lot of O's. Orange. Can you find the orange bike? Oh. P. PSI. PSI stands for pounds per square inch and tells you how much air to pump into your tires. Q. Quick release. Some bikes have a quick release lever on their wheel to make them easy to remove. Be sure to check these before leaving. You don't want your wheel to come off while you're riding. R. Race. There are all sorts of different kinds of races that you can train for if you like riding fast. S. Ooh, S. Saddle. The saddle is what you sit on. T. Tire. The tire fits on your bike's wheel. Be sure to check your tires for air every time you ride. U. Unicycle. Unicycles are bikes with just one wheel and require lots of balance to ride. V. Valve stem. Valve has two V's. Can you see both of the letter V's? Valve. Valve. Valve stem. The valve stem is attached to the tube inside of your tire. We attach the pump to the valve stem to add air to the tires. Then W. That's like our big M, right? But it's upside down. W. Wheelie. A trick where you lift the front wheel off the ground while you're riding. You pretend to do a wheelie with me. You ready? Wheelie. BMX. BMX stands for bicycle motocross. Yeah, we cross our X. BMX bikes are made for tricks and off-road racing. Y. Yield. If you see a pedestrian while riding your bike, yield. That means slow down, prepare to stop, and let the pedestrian through. Z. Zoom. Let's say zoom. That's a really fun word. Let's say zoom while we're drawing our letter Z. Can you try that with me? Zoom. It is so fun to zoom around on bikes. Let's do an ABCD quick check and hit the road. You ready? Let's go see our friend T-Rex again.
Intercity Transit's Walk and Roll program presents T-Rex does an ABCD quick check. You might need a few things for this, including a bike pump, chain lube, and a rag. A is for air. If your tires give a bit when you squeeze them, use your pump to pump them up and give them some air. B is for brakes. When you squeeze your brakes hard, you should be able to fit 2 fingers between your lever and the handlebar. C is for chain, crank, and cassette. Make sure your chain is running smoothly, lightly oiled and free of rust and gunk. You can do this by spinning it forwards or backwards a few times. This is where your chain lube and rag might come in handy. D stands for danglies. This is when you need to make sure that all your danglies are tucked in. So make sure your shoes are tied, that your backpack straps are tucked in, and that you don't have any loose clothing that could get in the way of you riding. Q stands for quick. If your bike has quick release wheels, make sure the release levers are securely closed and tight. You can't forget the check. As you start to ride, listen for any rubbing, grinding, or clicking noises that might indicate something isn't working correctly. If something isn't working properly, fix what you can and take any additional adjustments to your local bike shop to schedule a regular tune-up for your bike. Now you know how to do an ABCD quick check before the next time you hit the road. Have fun! See you next time!
Are you ready to say goodbye and sing Wheels on the Bike? We've got Steve right here to help us. Hi, Steve. So it starts out with the wheels on the bike. And what do the wheels do? They go round and round. See that? The wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town. Now we've got the pedals. See these pedals? My pedals have little like sleeves for my feet to go in. My feet, when they're on the pedals, they go up and down, up, down. So the feet on the pedals go up and down, up and down, up and down. The feet on the pedals go up and down, all through the town. Okay. This part is my favorite. I don't know if any of you have a bike with a bell on it, but I do. It is so much fun. You can say hello to people and let them know that you're coming so they don't get scared when a bike shows up behind them. Yes. What do the bells do? They go ding, ding, ding. Ready to sing that? The bell on the bike goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bike goes ding, 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 all through the town. Yay! Great job, everybody. That was so much fun. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the details below for dates and information about the rest of the videos in this series with me and T-Rex from Intercity Transit's Walk and Roll program. All right, well, I'll see you next time. Bye.